Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my new tutorial of our TIA portal math function. So in this video we are going to discuss about the math functions of our TIA portal. So first of all we are going to open my organization block project mode. Now I am going to select math functions and you will see I am just using my first command as a calculate. So I am going to use as an integer there. And I am going to select first as a 5, the 2, I am going to add more, and I am going to enter as a 6, add one more to as a 7, and I am going to make output as MW0. So now I am going to show you command. You will see here is an example. So I am just use as in1 plus in2 plus in3 in3 and then minus in4 and then I am using multiply there in2 and also now I'm going to divide that in 1. So you will see our calculate function has not created. Now I'm just clicking OK and I'm going to compile it and download into my PLC. So you will see it will gives us connection, gives us result. It gives us result of our calculation. So you will see it give us total result of what we are doing in our calculate function. So that's how you will use calculate function in your TIA portal, because it is used for short multiplication and division. Now I'm going to use an add, use one there, two there, and now I'm going to select as an integer. MW0 I'm going to use there, and MW2 I'm going to use there. Now I'm going to compile that, and you will see it will as an integer, and MW is an integer tag, so that's why I'm going to use it. So we also that could make that function is in real, but it will not support real because MW0 is not supported to real. If I am using DINT, so it will also not support it because DINT is 16-bit. Integer is 16-bit, DINT is 32-bit, and real is 64-bit. So I am directly using integer there, compiling it, downloading it to my PLC, and going to online. So you will see it will give us 1 plus 11 is equal to 12. Now I am going to change to modifier print to 5. So you will see 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Now I am going to close it and I am going to use it multiply there. And I am going to select the 2 and multiply by MW2. So you will see it is MW2 going there, and now I am using MW6 there. So I am going to compile that and download it to my PLC, load that and going online. So you will see it will multiply 2 multiply by 6 is equal to 12. So that's how multiply function work in our TIA portal. So I am going to again going offline, and you will see a sub function there. So I am just add some function there. So MW6, and I am going to -6. So and so on. And now I'm using MW8 there. So you will see how it will work. So I'm going to compile that again, download into my PLC again, and I'm going online. So you will see it will perform 1 plus 5 is equal to 6, and MW is there. Now 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12. 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. So that's how sub-function are being done there. Now I'm using a divide. I'm going there, and I'm going MW8. I'm going to divide by 2, and I'm going to MW10 to save it. So I'm again compiling it and download into my PLC. So you will see I'm going online. You will see our 6 is subtracted answer, but 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Now I think I try to use a mode. So mode is another one. It will give us MW10. I'm going to fold it in there, and I'm using MW12. I'm again compiling it, download into my PLC, and again going on now. So you will see it will calculate us the mode. What is 3 into 4 mode, and mode is 3 because 3 is less. It will give us mode. If I am going to make into real, so it will give us 3.5 because mode it will change the mode. So I'm just going to modify operand and set 11 there. So you will see it will change the mode, and 9 into mode, and 1 is our mode because 9, and we will select mode, and it will show us our mode because it will. So that's how mode functions work in our TA program. So I think I make a mistake, I think in mode, so I will just calculate and read that. So what mode will be work in our TA program. So I'm going to select that mode. So I will check the function. What mode function do? So we'll see. Execute it. So it will divide the value of tag 1 divided by tag 2. And then it will divide our tag 1 and tag 2. That is our mode. So that is our mode work. And just tag divide 2, and it is set that to 0. So that's our mode work. I'm going to set negative MW10 and MW12 there. So you will see it will make a value negative. So I'm just going to again compile it and download it to my PLC. I'm going to go online. So you will see it will convert our value to negative, -9. So that's how our nanny geo function going to work. Now I'm just using increment there. So I'm just using increment and just use MW12, and I want an increment in it. So I just compile it, and I'm going to download into my PLC. I'm going online, so you will see it will increment in our -9. I think you will see -8 increment because it is -9 and -8 is greater than -9, so that's why -9. So that is increment is showing. Now I am going to use a decrement. So I am going to use a decrement here. and I am also using MW12 there. I am going to compile it, and you will see it was the decrement show -9. So you will see how it will going to work. I just compile it, download it to my PLC. Now I am going online. You will see it will show again -9 because it will decrement, because -9 is smaller than -8. I am going to off now and just delete my first network, and then you will see we will check an absolute value. I am going to select as an integer. Sorry, I'm going to use a real there, but first I am going to delete that text. Going again to main block, I am going to put 3.9 there and MD0. So you will see it will give us a absolute value. It will convert that value to 4. So I'm just going to compile that and download it to my PLC. Going online. I think it will not be giving us absolute value. Why it will not convert that? I'm just compiling it and downloading to my PLC again. We will see. Now it will work 3.9 and can convert it to 4.0. So that's how ABS is now working our TA. But now I'm using Win. And select 1 there, 2 there. I'm going to select MW4. You will see it will select what is the minimum value from both. I'm just compiling it. I am also using that there, so 3 and 4. I am also using integer there and MW6. Now I am going to compile that, and again I am going to download that into my PLC. So I am just going to online. So you will see, yes, I need conversion there. So you will see how it will convert there. You will see 1 is minimum, so 1 is there, and 3 and 4 is maximum, so 4 is there. So that's how our maximum. Now I'm going to select the limit. It will select, I'm going to minimum limit as 2, maximum limit as 3. I'm going to maximum limit as 4, and I'm going to select as an integer there, and I just delete that one, I think. I'm using MW4 there and MW6 there. Now I'm going to compile that and download into my PLC. And now I'm going to online. So you will see I'm just again converting that into decimal format. You will see what is minimum. You will see I will give to, it will show minimum and maximum between. If I am putting 1, it will show the minimum 2. If I am putting that to 5, changing to 5, you will see it will give us 4. And now to 5, you will see it will give us 4. But if I am going to put a 4, it will show us 4. If I am going to put a 3, so it will show that 3. You will see that's how limit is working our TA portal. So now I am going to show you a square root, MW2, so MW4. First of all, it will always lose an integer until 0. I think I need to delete something. So going to show all text and delete that once. And I'm using MD4 there. So I'm just going to compile that and going on now. Sorry, I think I don't load. So I'm just going on now. You will see. It will give us square root. 16 square root is 4. It will directly give us a square root. The square root of 16 is 4. So it will show us. Now I'm just no sorry, it will give us a square. Now I'm using MD4 there and I'm using MD8 there. So you will see it will give us a square root. So I'm just again download into my PLC and going on. You will see 4 is square root of 4 is 16 and the square root of 16 is 4. So that's how these are going to run. There are many functions there. You will see ln means natural logarithms, exponential, sine theta, cos theta, tangent theta, and tangent adds an x value, x or cosine value. There are many math functions there. So exponential, I think, exponentiate fraction. There is a fraction there. So these are the functions of math. I'm just going to tell you for the whole because the whole functions are not used in programming but it is will use in advanced programming if you need to use. So these are the basic functions, math functions of TIA portals used in TIA portals for programming. So I think my lecture is finished. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, click the bell icons and comments if you don't understand anything, and don't forget in the descriptions I keep links of our playlist of Windows Software SCADA, Ignition SCADA, and more my videos on our factory IOs scenes, whole scenes programming. It will be long videos. So thank you very much for watching my video again. I am very happy because you many people are noticing me. So thank you very much again.